We get scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide, and now I'm standing in a no.
We're calling you a bitch, Zaria. No.
A lot of foreign YouTubers are on side of PewDiePie, and I am also inside of PewDiePie because I don't like T-Series personally.
This man
Like the
broke
top
this.
independent creator is still PewDiePie, so it doesn't make a difference. And even if he's not, he's making the same content. It doesn't matter if he's like above or below T-Series in any way.
Oh.
Not to me at least.
Oh.
PewDiePie actually has
Damn. This is so cool.
T-Series is just posting random videos on the internet and becoming the biggest YouTube fan on the web, but that doesn't really, isn't fair for PewDiePie because he's been working so hard for so long.
See,
so
that's
he
right.
deserves to be
I've
on
been
the
doing
top.
it a
So
long
as you know,
time
compared
too.
to individual YouTubers like PewDiePie, T-Series is a big corporation who have like unlimited resources to gain
That's right. I can't post 20 minutes
How do you
videos
think
a day. I mean,
PewDiePie,
20
who's an
videos a
individual
day.
creator, how can he maintain his #1 position?
Okay, I need to
How
listen.
can he maintain? Well, just keep doing what he's doing right now. That's
Okay.
how he became #1.
But what if I'm really desperate? I mean, I'm not desperate, of course, but let's say I was desperate. Like, what do I do then?
T-Series will have a good quality of production, but you can never beat what PewDiePie, the connection PewDiePie has with his audience is
yeah.
much better than like anybody. So that is why he is popular.
See, I do not not appreciate his efforts. It's a good thing that being an individual person, but then somebody at some point of time started T-Series alone too, right? It was not like it just came to be a big corporation. It started by
That's not necessarily true. Okay, a lot of companies start off really big. They have investors. They have a lot of people, a lot of capital. So let's
one
not
of the
jump to
persons and then it
conclusions
becomes
here,
so huge.
okay?
So even though being an individual, it's a big thing, but being a corporation isn't easier enough to, carry it too.
So do you see him holding on to his #1 position, or will he be overtaken by T-Series?
Oh, yeah.
I guess it will be overtaken by T-Series.
What?
Because T-Series is becoming popular day by day.
So
and
is the bro
it's,
or
associating with more and more new companies, Bollywood companies.
I think it's very childish to have like a battle. It's very clearly that T-Series is going to win because the Indian audience is increasing because more and more people from India are coming on the internet. So it's very clear that T-Series is going to win. He does not actually care about subscribers, and he's not doing it like he has no personal grudges against T-Series. It's very clear.
I love how some people get it, and some people are like, "It's a battle." He called me bitch lasagna.
So if we cross him, I think it'll be tough to compete. As an individual, he'll have a hard time if we cross him, and if we become #1.
T-Series is still continuing to grow because India, Jio, whatever.
For our
What?
global viewers who don't know what Jio is, can you explain?
Basically, Jio is a Wi-Fi company that's offering like Wi-Fi at really cheap prices now. So like a lot of India is now suddenly online.
Damn, this kid is so smart. YouTube, hire this kid. So basically, India is getting internet, which is a good thing, obviously. I wouldn't joke like, oh, that's so bad, but honestly, that's terrible. So basically, India is getting internet, and T-Series dominates India, obviously. With as soon as you make an account in India, I tried this out myself. You'll just be blasted by T-Series videos. They have a huge advantage there. But sooner or later, they will run out of Indians. And there are forever infinite 9-year-olds.
Do you see YouTube as a space where it's a platform for big corporations to run ads, or is it a place for creators to create content?
Actually both. If you create content, people are attracted, and when people are attracted, then you can earn money by showing ads.
Actually, I see it as both of them because YouTube is encouraging a lot of creators in India, and big corporations are also using it for their ad business.
Used to be a individual creator content thing, but now with like monetization and things, it's definitely moving towards
That's right.
the company
It
side.
is. And you might say, you know what, there's nothing bad with that, and companies have the same set of rules that applies to everyone else. But I think it's more a concern from the community of YouTube's been shifting towards less creator focused for years now, and now seeing an actual company taking over as the biggest channel, people feel like that's a symbol almost of losing that another touch of the creator side of YouTube. Creators is why people love YouTube, and that's what created YouTube, and people want to protect that. I understand that. I don't think necessarily T-Series is the fault for all of it. Obviously, that's not how it is, but I think that's why especially people are so caught up in this battle. So interesting to watch this.
How do you feel about it?
I don't really like it.
There you go.
Like, we used to get more content that we can't get now. Everything is getting like into the same algorithm, like
This kid.
quantity over quality. That's what we're getting now.
So the battle was supposed to be between PewDiePie versus T-Series, but the narrative has kind of changed and moved towards India versus PewDiePie.
No.
So what do you have to say about that?
No, it isn't.
Maybe because PewDiePie said a few things that might have hurt a few Indians, but it's okay, you don't have to be butthurt. PewDiePie is nice.
Yes!
Everybody knows what PewDiePie has called our T-Series as a bitch lasagna, and that is really, I felt that he should not.
Oh.
People should follow T-Series, not because only for the Hindi music, but I think T-Series have done a lot for as for the country also.
So I'm not in favor of what he has said completely, because at the end of the day I'm an Indian and patriotism lies into me.
The concept of nationality does not come anywhere close to YouTube. Like, being an Indian, I can support anybody I want. It's
That's
about
right.
the content. It's not that Indian people only like T-Series.
That's true.
Indian people like PewDiePie. Everybody likes. It's about the content. It is not at all related to your nationality and getting patriotism inside it, which is very dumb.
Man, that was an amazing video. Thank you, Asian Boss. Go check them out. Link in the description, obviously, for making that. That's so fun. What a great insight. It's cool to see the kid so smart and like articulate and knowledgeable. It's so awesome. And everyone that supported me as well, or even if like, I don't know, in between as well. I thought it was really cool. Great video. Really enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed as well. Smash like, subscribe, check out the merch, and as always, see you guys tomorrow. Holding after Brofeast. Another couple days, at least. Minimum. Bye! Tuber Simulator is now so relevant that it's got a brand new minigame, Craniac. Drop the crane and get fresh items only available in the washing machine-like game. And you say there's more? Of course there is! New knowledge perks, new quests, and new pixelings, and legs. Guys, legs.
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and